Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create backlinks for your YouTube videos. Here you can see I want to create a backlink for this video. How I can do that? Let me go on SEMrush, and after that here I can get backlinks for any website. Make sure that you have got paid version of this tool. So let me show you how it works. For example, I can add here a website, enablewebsitedesign.com. Now scroll down and it will show you all the details about this website. So on the right side here you can see backlinks. It will tell you the quantity of backlinks for this website. Here you can see 7k backlinks created, referring domains 2.1k, authority score and other details. So now you can click here backlinks. Scroll down and on this page you can see complete backlink details. So these are the websites where this website created backlinks. So now let me show you how you can create. Here I have blog comments, backlinks, websites. So you can easily get this type of websites from here. Now again let me go back. For example, I can copy this one. Then in the new tab I can add here. Then again I can also go back, and after that for the next link I can do the same process. So just you can open multiple websites as some of websites not work. Now you need to scroll down. Here you can see thousands of people have added their comments. So basically it can increase your video ranking. So first of all I need to sign in with Google, and after that now here you can see I got here option to add comment. So let me click here add comment. Then after that you need to use this code. So let me show you how it works. Here you can see this is called anchor text. You can go on the Google and type anchor text in HTML. Just you can go on the first website w3schools.com. Scroll down and here you can see this is the structure. So it can convert your simple text into link. So now here I need to add video URL and here keyword. For example, build e-commerce website. So this is my keyword. Then now I need to go back, and after that just I need to copy this one and add here. So now here you can see structure is ready. Just we can copy this, and after that let's go back. Then here we can write something, for example good blog, then add this code, then publish. So in this way you can easily create hundreds of backlinks for your YouTube videos. So let me scroll down, and to see this comment we need to scroll down more. So after that, in the same way you can use multiple websites. So there is another type of form that's called profile backlinks. Here you can see these are different websites. So now let me go back, and after that here you can see I have profile backlinks websites list. For example, I want to open a website. This one. Then here I can add this. Now here you can see there is a link. So now how I can add my link here? Let me go on the membership and I can create my account. So guys, now here you can see we have logged in. Then after that, now we need to edit this one. View profile, account settings. After that, simply click here, edit profile. Scroll down, and here we can replace this one with the video link, and here we can add label, and then save. So guys, now here you can see we have created one blog comments backlink, and this is called profile backlink. So this is basically called off page SEO. So I will recommend you can use it for your YouTube channel so that your videos should get ranked. Thank you.